Hello everyone, welcome to this quick guide on Python package managers. Python package managers streamline the inclusion of external code libraries into your projects, handling installations and dependencies so you don't have to. Today we are comparing pip, conda, and UV to help you decide which one is best for your workflow. Let's dive in. First up, we have pip. Pip is the default package manager for Python. It installs packages directly from the Python package index or PyPy. It's great for general Python development, but it does not handle dependencies automatically like conda does. To install a package like NumPy using pip, simply run pip install NumPy. Next, we have conda. Conda is a powerful package manager specifically designed for data science and machine learning. Unlike pip, conda can handle both Python and non-Python dependencies, making it ideal for complex ML workflows. To install a package like NumPy, you can simply run conda install NumPy. The downside, it can be slower than pip and it takes up more disk space. Finally, we have UV, which stands for Ultra Fast Package Manager. This is a newer ultra fast package manager that installs packages from PyPy, just like pip, but at much higher speeds. It also provides better dependency resolution, similar to conda, but optimized for speed. To install a package like NumPy using UV, you simply run UV pip install NumPy. If you need a speed and efficiency, UV might be the best choice. Now let's compare these package managers side by side. Pip is the simplest and most widely used. Conda is best for machine learning workflows, and UV is the fastest option with modern dependency resolution. Next, we're going to see how this works in the terminal for using UV. Okay, so in order to show you how you can use UV or Ultra Fast Package Manager, the first thing that we can do is to create a virtual environment. We can do this using UV venv and then the name that you want. I call this my underscore project, and you can see here information about how we can activate this new environment. So we use source my project bin activate, and so now we are here. We can time to see how long it takes to install a couple of machine learning and data science libraries such as NumPy, pandas, scikit-learn, and we saw that in this case this is the total time that is needed. So here is the very nice thing about using UV. And once you want to deactivate, you can simply say deactivate, and we're going back to the base. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments below what package managers you prefer to use. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more data science content. See you in the next one.